Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and one more time I have a grand, beautiful, royal designer sofa set for you. And when we talk about designer sofa set, gold is the prime color that most of the people like. And in this one, we have a dual shade with some shade of off-white with the antique gold color, as you can see in the units. I'll give you all the details about this. Before that, three main points. First, the entire stuff you're looking at is teak wood. This is solid teak wood. This is not fiber. This is not resin. Most of the low cost set that you get in the market are resin or fiber. This is solid teak wood. Second thing, the color is antique gold Duco paint. This is not a regular polish. This is a Duco paint. The same process that is done on the cars, just like the cars are painted. The only difference is cars are painted by machines, by automation. Here we do it by hand, by artisans, by small guns, small compressors. This is how it is done, and it requires some artistic work too. The third thing about this set, and most important one, is the customization factor. Customization means it is made to order. What you want, we made that. There is no change. Just like you see the table, we have two side stools, the size of a four-seater, two four-seaters, and two chairs. I'll give you sizes one by one for each item. But the most important point I'm conveying here is the part of choice. So that's why we call our furniture choice wala furniture. What you want, we make that, not what we have. So we make it exactly the number of seats, the sizes, the designs, the colors, the fabric, the side stools, everything as per the choice and deliver to your home. This one is going to Bangalore. We have delivered pan India and out of India 55 countries. This is handwork made by hand by local artisans, master artisans. And what Aarsun is doing, and we are proud of this, is the local art that we are taking across the globe and decorating global homes. Let's see the set that we have here. With the table, the front part is not that visible. So the design you can see in this one, both the units are same. A four-seater here, four-seater here. Left to right, this is 9 feet. It's a bigger set, four-seater inside, 9 feet. The back height is 52 inches. So a little more than 4.5 feet, and front to back this one covers 42 inches, that is 3.5 feet. Normal sets are around 30 inches, 32 inches deep. This one is 3.5 feet, 42 inches, quite deep, and I'll sit on it. You can see how much space I'm getting. So when I'm sitting, my knees are now on the edge of the set, and still you can see how much space I have at the back. So once we have a lot of cushions at the back, I can sit very comfortably here. Right now it's quite deep set as the client wanted, and the curvaceous design on both the sides. As you can see, I'm sitting on it, the entire length is visible, so you can see how big the set is and exactly as per the client's requirement. The other important thing about this set is this is double carved. I'll move the set, I'll show you all the parts, the back carving also. But let me tell you what is important and what is good about double carving. When you have carving on the front area as well as back of the unit, these sets generally go to the middle of the room where the visibility is from all the sides. And let me move the chair so you can see the back carving of the chair. The heavy units is not that easy to move. Okay, here. So you can see here the back carving as well, and it looks really beautiful. And the amazing and the most important part here is this is done by hand. No machine work like this. CNC machines, even the 3D and 4D and all those automation cannot work like this. And you can see how beautifully the artisan make the stuff. With the antique gold paint, every cut is highlight. The chair is 52 inches. The regular chairs are 3 feet. This is 52 inches. The back height is 52 again. Front to back, this is 36, 3 feet. Front to back. And again, space, the Maharaja look, the style, and the comfort I'm getting. See the space I have. Let me sit in a corner. You can see how much space I still have. There's a big chairs, big design, and a royal setup as the client wanted. Now coming to the table, center table, again a very beautiful piece, and we will have a glass on top of it because you can see we have a very beautiful designer piece in the middle. So once we have a transparent glass on top of it, it's ready for use. This is 4.5 feet by 4.5 feet for the table size from this corner to that corner. And then we have 4 sitting stools here. It's a separate units and attached to the design 18 inches round, and that makes it a very different, very beautiful and amazing table design. And these side tables can be moved for like I'm sitting here and I can move this table here. So it's really a nice thing to have such table that can work multi-purpose. So center part is looking good, or you can put some decorative stuff on the table as you want it. So I'll put it back. The artisan's amazing talent, and the talent that we have is in all areas, starting from cutting the wood to making these decorative pieces to the carving part that you see, the beautiful carving, hand carving, then the polished stuff, the cushioning stuff. Coming to the fabric area, we have 40 density cushion, a beautiful suede fabric, the quilting in the at the back with the buttons, embedded buttons, and the fabric as per the client's choice. Fabric is one of the most important things. See, fabric can change the look and appearance of anything. If I wear a very dark shirt, or if I wear a very bright color like pink or something, I may look very different. So fabrics similarly play a very unique and very important role in any sofa, any unit, furniture unit that has got fabric. So it should be first of your choice. Second, it should be as per the theme, because most of the houses these days are made as per the theme. So it could be the wallpapers you want to contrast, or you have some design, a beautiful painting on the wall, or the drapes, the curtains that you want to match something, or you have a beautiful carpet that has got some theme. So sometimes people match the damask design with the fabric as well of the sofa. That makes it very different. And if you want to see more of these ideas, you can visit our website. There's a testimonial section, and in the testimonial section there are thousands of pictures, real pictures from the client's place. All these units that you are looking are made here in our factory and delivered to global locations. After the unit has reached the place, the client unpacked it, placed it, they're happy with the output, they took the pictures, sent it back to us with the love, the blessings, and more orders. And this is what we have earned. These have so many ideas. You can check which fabric is looking how in that particular setup. If you have a particular theme that may be visible in this one, so you can easily see that which one is looking how with this particular unit. So you can easily understand whether it is as per your choice or not. So that will help you in deciding your own order. A number of architects, interior designers are using these pictures as example, and they are pitching these ideas to their clients with the actual stuff. Making something on software or by AI, artificial intelligence, that's very easy now. You go to Grok, you go to Bing, you go to Gemini, all these places you can generate a photo, but just put a prompt there and you get a picture. They can look very beautiful in that picture, but the actual output does matter. So you can see what you want. Let us know how you want it, the sizes, designs, colors, fabrics, number of units, table, side table, settee, open back settee, divan, couch, you want a chaise lounge, anything you want to add, you want a smaller size, higher back, colors. We have worked on most of the colors, and you can see the number of colors that we have done in the 1500 plus videos we have on YouTube. Gold and polished colors, and cherry, mahogany, teak finish, and all the paint colors, white, off-white, gold, gold leafing, and triple shade, dual shade, champagne, rose gold. So many colors we have already done, multiple shaded. These all have proper full videos, detailed videos on YouTube. So you can check and let us know what you want. We'll make that as per your requirement, deliver to your place at factory price. We are making it here. You are receiving at your home, your address, in India or out of India at the best prices, without any commission, any trader charges, any showroom charges, any extra charges. So always the best price. So we make what you want. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.